Hello everyone and welcome to Orange Cooking. Tonight I want to show you how to make chicken cacciatore. It's nice, it's easy, and I use my slow cooker. So first thing I want to do is turn on my Ninja. I'm going to put it on roast and then I'm going to put it on and then put some olive oil on the bottom here just so I can fry some chicken. The idea is just to steer the chicken on both sides. Don't have to cook it all the way. Just want to make sure it's brown on both sides before we... Now that I took my chicken to rest for a little bit, you see it's not fully cooked all the way. I am just going to put it aside and I'm going to start doing the slow cooking part. So I got two different kind of peppers here. As you see, there's the red pepper and the green pepper. I'm just going to cut it up to strips. Now that I cut my red and green peppers into stripes, I'm just going to cut an onion, just a normal. Right, I set my Ninja into slow cooker. I'm just going to turn it on. Now first thing I'm going to add my peppers, my red and green peppers. Then I'm going to add my onions on top. I'm going to add some mushrooms. Now I'm just going to add my chickens that I did earlier. So I'm going to add some 800 grams of crushed tomatoes. Next I need about 2 spoons of tomato paste. Next you need half a cup of chicken stock. I decided I'm going to add some more chicken stock, so I did about a cup of chicken stock and I added another tomato paste, so I did just over 1 cup of tomato paste as well. It's time to add our spices. So a spoon of paprika, a spoon of thyme, a spoon of basil, a spoon of garlic powder, some salt, as much as you feel you need to, a crushed garlic, and add this all together. Just mix it together. Now it's time to set up our slow cooker on high for 4 hours. You can do it for 3 hours, or on low up to 6 hours. Alright, now that it's all cooked, I'm just going to take some pasta, put it on the top, bottom, spread it out, take some chicken, lovely chicken, put it on the top, and then we're going to take some of our sauce, spread it around. Last thing I like to take is some olives. You can unpit it and just spread them all over. That's it. That's how our dinner would look tonight. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.